How's it going, guys? Today we're playing Universe Sandbox. I know I didn't zoom into anything, it's weird. So in the last couple of videos, I've been asking you guys to send me stuff to do in the comments because I keep running out of ideas. And holy crap, you guys delivered. I have a whole thing of just comments. Took screenshots of all the ones I want to use, and that's what this episode is going to be. Alright, so, first on the list, start making a bunch of Jupiters orbit the sun until the entire solar system collapses. Boom, that's an idea. That is an idea. Alright, so how I'll do this. Give the sun enough Jupiters at the same time that the gravity becomes so much bigger that everything just flies into it. Just spam Jupiters real quick. There's a chance that too many will crash at once and just supernova the sun. Alright, let's see if that's enough. Slow this down way the hell. Speed it up a little. What the hell? The sun actually got smaller from that. Looks like it's gonna stabilize. Yeah, the sun actually got smaller from me doing. What? What just did that? Well, I can't collapse the solar system, but something just smacked it. Try that again. Ordinary Jupiters. I don't think this would be big enough. What the hell? Why is it Jupiter with? Yeah, fuck it. Okay, so I just figured out if I click this little button, it also adds the moons. Okay, that's obnoxious. I can't. Oh! Let's put so fucking many of them. Okay, now slow this down or it will just crap on my PC. Oh lord. Why is the sun getting smaller from this? It's supposed to get bigger. The Jupiters are just smacking into it and making it vomit a bunch of mass off. This isn't gonna work. Maybe I just like put them so close that they won't smack into it. They'll just absorb with it. Okay, well that made it bigger, but not nearly as big as I want it to be. Alright, let's just add a bunch of random gas giants, because those are technically Jupiters, right? Alright. That made no impact. It is barely any bigger. If that does not tell you how fucking massive the sun is. It's like a medium-sized star, but that doesn't mean it's not small. Alright, so unfortunately, this will not work, unless I do some messing around. Alright, let's make Jupiter 10 times bigger. Save this object. Jupiter. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna need. Let's just say like 50-ish. Okay, now the sun has a ring of Jupiters, everybody. Slow this down. Oh lord, that's gonna do some damage. Something killed itself? Oh fuck. Gotta get to the sun, unless the sun also supernovaed. This was not supposed to. Oh! Well, it's much bigger now, but everything's about to die, so it doesn't matter if it collapses on itself. I don't know why so many of those things just went supernova. That's not supposed to happen. Alright, I have an idea. Okay, save this object. Now let's just assume nothing went supernova. Delete that. Put you in its place. Now let's see what happens. Oh god. Well, that didn't quite collapse in on itself. It just kind of Beybladed for some reason. Set your speed to 0 because for some reason you were really fast. Hey, now let's assume more Jupiter. Why are you so small? That's not supposed to happen. What the hell? No, everybody come back. Come back. Yeah, we're not done with you yet. Bigger. Bigger. There goes Mars. Elon, no! Alright, so that will not really work. I cannot just spam a bunch of Jupiters and have it collapse in on itself, unfortunately. Merge 17 Jupiters or more into a dwarf star, and then make Jupiter orbit it. Okay, I don't know if you mean like a brown dwarf star or like an actual star. I'll make an actual star, so we need 79 Jupiters. Let's just spam them and hope it works. I don't feel like counting. Alright, we gotta be careful about this though, because we don't want it to just supernova immediately. Oh god. This one just completely lost all its gas. Oh lord. Oh god, it collapsed. Okay, it's at 21 Jupiters. Okay, some more. Oh, that is so cool looking. It's just eating them all. And now you're smaller for some reason. Oh, why'd you die? That's not nice. Makes sense. Oh! I forgot to slow it down. Let's fuse a bunch of Jupiters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them, 8 of them. That's enough for a star, isn't it? It's enough for a supernova. Yeah, they're getting small. Why did you just supernova? You're not even big enough to be doing that. Alright, all of y'all calm down. Okay, I guess we could slowly do this. 1 Jupiter. That just instantly got vaporized for whatever reason. And immediately vaporized the other one. Merge! That does not even make... There's not enough mass there to even go supernova. Why does it keep doing that? 10 plus 10 does not equal 79. Oh, that's Earth. Well, there you go. Get eaten by Jupiter. Ooh, that is damn close. Yes, that is not quite a star yet. Yeah, they added a new update where it can go brown dwarf. Y'all don't really care, but I'll explain it anyways. 3 types of brown dwarfs. The ones that aren't hot, the ones that are hot, and the ones that are just about a star hot. It might be able to fuse a little bit of hydrogen, but it's mainly just fusing hydrogen into itself, so H2. So technically it is fusing stuff, but it's not fusing the right stuff to be an actual star. Okay, so let's make it an actual star now. Move. Closer. Oh! You're kidding me. It killed it. This video is going to take way longer than it needs to. Alright, well, I'm tired of messing with that. 79. It's a star now. Whoopie-doo! Make Jupiter orbit it. Okay. Okay. Jupiter's orbiting this thing. Done. Boom. I won't blow this up because that's just a supernova. Oh! Next comment. Use the force tool to spin planets until they explode. That's a great idea. We're going to do this with the Earth first, of course. Force, spin. Spin. Oh god, that's not good enough. Don't auto. Don't tell me what I need to do.
Don't you tell me how many spins I need, bitch.
Spin. Okay. Just tapping it did that. Tap. Oh god, dude, what would happen if I did that to the sun? We're gonna save that for last. All right, force. Turn this up a little bit. Tap. Tap. Oh, I just spun a particle. Tap. Oh god. Tap. It's dead. I want to be able to make it so fast I tap it once and it immediately dies. To the power of 20, spin acceleration, 3,000 rotations per second. Yep, it immediately died. Didn't think it would live that. Jupiter might though. Jupiter's quite... Oh, fuck. I was wrong. I was gonna say Jupiter's quite a bit bigger so it won't rotate as much, but no, it did. Oh, god. Oh! Oh! It just spewed across the whole solar system! Alright, we'll ignore Neptune and Uranus. I'm too excited. I don't know if that's actually doing anything. Is it getting faster? Oh, god! Turning that up worked. Oh! Convert fragments to full body. Oh! Why did I do that? That's gonna crash the game. Get out of there quick. Let me go. Let me go!
If you love me, let me spin.
Oh. Alright, W idea. This is a whole video in itself. Holy shit. Make the sun collide with 10 Jupiter, 10 Saturn, 10 Uranus, 10 Neptune, then turn the supernova into a full body and collide that with the God pulsar into the sun. Then the sun will become a pulsar and collide Crab pulsar and then Vela pulsar into the sun. Turn the Earth into Ton 618 and then put the sun in it. Boom. That's an idea. Oh my lord. Okay, so first, collide that. Sun. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's kind of uneventful. Let's just, So it's like a ring of Saturns about to just punch. It's just a big Saturn about to punch the sun. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uranuses are very hot. YouTube, I meant the planet. I meant the planet. 10 Neptunes. Neptune does not like the sun. What is spewing crap over there? What? There you go. Alright, then turn the supernova into a full body. Oh, so you thought I was gonna supernova. Oh, all at once. You wanted me to do it all at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I don't know if this will actually supernova. I'm betting it won't. Yeah, it didn't. Well, fuck you. Supernova. Okay, I don't know if I can convert this to full bodies. I can? Oh no, it thinks I'm grabbing those. Hold on. I can't. You can't turn a supernova into a full body. It counts it as a full body. Collide God Pulsar into the sun. Alright, let me get my boy. God Pulsar! Launch. This is goofy because it's so much bigger. Launch. It's so big from that distance it immediately ate the sun, and now there's a supernova. I just saw it. It went off inside of it. Did it just eat that supernova? God Pulsar is so powerful it can eat a supernova whole. We're gonna have to go far then. Launch. Oh my god, it's so big. Its rays are seen from over here. That is so ridiculous. Boom! It did nothing. Nothing special happened. But, Alright, there you go. Supernova the size of the universe. And now it's a black pulsar. Then the sun will become a pulsar and collide Crab pulsar, then Vela pulsar into that sun. You thought the sun would win? Okay, well, I'll make the sun a pulsar. Hold on, what are neutron stars made out of? Ions, electrons, ion lattice soaked in superfluid neutrons, superconducting protons, inner core unknown. Okay, so it looks like no one fucking knows what these things are made out of. That's terrifying. So, okay, it doesn't look like it, but it's basically a neutron star. It's met the criteria. Down, orbit. Oh, God! It is orbiting so fast that it's smacking it and then just not doing anything. Oh, no, it's just barely missing it. I want you to actually hit it. 1,000th of a second. Oh, well, they both just died. Yeah, when pulsars collide, they either turn into a black hole or they both just die. Okay, well. It just launched itself. Turn the Earth into Ton 618 and then put the sun in it. How am I gonna turn the Earth into Ton 618? I'm gonna have to look that up. Ton 618 mass. 66 billion? Holy shit. Dude, the black hole in the center of our solar system is only like 20 million. 66 billion. I'm not exaggerating my reaction here. That is actually shocking to me. Holy crap. Let's just keep doing that. Did it not? Oh, I needed to play. Yeah, I did that kind of too fast. It is a black hole now, though. Oh my god, that is so cool looking. I have an HDR monitor. Oh my god, those colors. That's an interesting image. So keep doing that. Oh! Oh! That is awesome! 1,000, million, billion. Ah, didn't mean to do that. Stupid game, I swear to god. You move the mouse away from the menus and click at all, and it just removes you from the menu and, like, confirms whatever you're doing. It's so annoying. Come a black hole, please. You know what? I'll detonate a supernova just so we can see what's going on. Not what I meant to do. Boom. Okay, just so we can see what's going on behind. Or we'll eat the supernova. That's nice. Detonate.
Fuck this shit,
It just launched a supernova. It launched an entire supernova. 66. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 66 billion. Dude, it's 4% the mass of our entire galaxy. Just a fucking black hole. Alright, let's see the actual galaxy compared to it. Alright, so it is still pretty small, but like its radius. But if I put the Milky Way by this thing, it will f with it. You see that? It's moving towards it. Oh my god, Ton 618 is gonna eat the Milky Way. Or launch it across the universe. Turn Earth, put the sun in that. Why did I just get rid of it? Okay, it's saved. Oh god! Sun. There you go. It ate the sun. Throw Pluto into Jupiter at 9.2 light speed in slow motion. Got it. Launch, and then set your speed. 9.2, and that C means light speed. We're gonna get Jupiter's perspective of this. Here we go. Any second now. It's taking a minute. Boom. Oh my god, it evaporated Jupiter. Look at that temperature. Holy shit. Oh my god. Well, that's not funny enough. It is funny enough. I'm not converting that to a full body. What happened to you, man? I don't know if Jupiter will live that. Oh, it didn't live that. Okay, well, oh my god, it did live it. It's just a little core. Wait, it looks like the cosmic background radiation of the universe. Alright, calm down. Alright, now it's half the mass of Earth. Oh, that's cool looking. It's a little dark ball. What is this thing made out of? Or it will die when I try looking at that. That's nice. Make an episode where there's a binary black hole and a white hole, inverted gravity, and try to make it stable enough for planetary orbit to be possible. And I responded. I said, dude, that's an amazing idea. I tried it out in my free time because I knew that would take a while to mess with, and I was unable to get that to happen. White holes, there's like a glitch you could use to get them in the game. I don't know what that is though. The best I could do, okay, so let's just say 1 solar mass. Ah, Jesus. Oh, right, I want to set off a supernova so we can see what's going on. Sorry, son. Boom. And then we can make this. Where is it? Inverted gravity. There you go. So technically this is now a white hole. Actions, auto orbit. Now we can turn this down. I'm worried this is just going to eat it. Oh, they just repel each other. Yeah, that's the problem. I have tried this for a long time to get them to just get this to work, and either they just eat each other and become a zero mass object, which I don't even know how that's possible, or they just like fling each other away because, yeah, it just doesn't make sense to work. If that's one mass and this is -1, it's like when you put the two opposite sides of a magnet, when you try putting them together and it just repels each other. That's exactly what's going on here. Pause. This is me from the future. I was wrong. If something is +1 mass and another thing is -1 mass, then they just wouldn't even affect each other because their gravities would just cancel out. So, yeah, this is not even possible. Merge the sun with a quasi-star and Stefan 2-8. Okay, so I have tried so many times to make a quasi-star in this game. It is so difficult, and it only works for like a second. Quasi-star is a star that's so goddamn massive that its core compresses into a fucking black hole in the middle of it. Pause. Here's a video that very well explains them. Holy crap, Kyrgyzstan is so good at this. And then that black hole just slowly eats it until it completely eats it. But before it eats it, it's called a quasi-star. And these things are so they're like, reach 10,000 solar masses. They don't exist now, but they existed in the very early universe, like when there was so much shit compressed into one area that they were able to form. This would not be possible at all nowadays. Oh my god, it died. Alright, so I'll just slowly do that. In order for this to even work and not just eat itself, I would have to, like, make it so this doesn't interact with other things, but then that would ruin the whole thing. I'll just see what happens when I put a black hole in the middle of it. Yep. It immediately eats it. The game does not want to simulate that. So the best I can do is just have this and say it's a quasi-star, because it does have the same solar mass. Merge the sun with it. Actually, this thing is way too small too. It should be way the bigger than that. 10 times the size of Stefan 218 is how big this thing needs to be. Well, how big is Stefan 218? Let's just get a comparison. Okay. No, it poofed itself. Literally just popped like a balloon. That is nuts. Okay, that makes sense because it can't simulate its core being a literal black hole to hold it together, so I'm not going to push it any further than that. There goes the sun. Yeah, it didn't do much.
I don't give a fuck.
There we go. Stefan 218. 40 solar masses. That is nuts. And slow that down. Get way up close. Yeah, realistically, this thing would be 10 times the size of this. There we go. Oh. Oh. It's causing this to spin fast. Oh, this is getting bigger as a result. What? Is this absorbing it? It just doinked. Hey, get back here. Merge. Oh, shit. Why did Stefan 218 win that? It is way less dense. Well, that's what happens.
Make Earth 3 times bigger than the sun, then send that Earth into the sun.
Well, this is actually the easiest one so far. Launch, and then real quick, 3. There you go. All right, here we go. Boom. Yeah, I didn't really care. Ton 618. Nothing else. 10, 2. Well, there's Ton 618, basically. Give it atmospheres to make it hotter than the sun. Wait, could I make the Earth have so many atmospheres that it gets hotter than the sun? We can't make it hotter than the core of the sun, but we could possibly make it hotter than the surface of the sun. Atmospheric pressure times 10. Everyone's dead. Alright, so already that caused an impact. Gigapascals. All the way up, all the way down. It absorbs all of the heat. 10, 10, 10. 1,000 is the most layers it can have. Only thing to do is to make the atmosphere. Oh my god, it's getting so big now that the actual planet's getting more massive. Okay, well, that's the upper limit. We can make it half the heat of the sun. That's about it from that distance. I'm not done yet. Venus, you don't really care, do you? 10, 10, 10! Oh god, that's getting close. Go all the way up. All the layers. No albedo. There we go. Okay, for a second, it gets a little bit hotter. I don't know why it does that, where it like goes up for a second. Yeah, do that. What the hell? Okay, well, it looks like it gets its atmosphere back and then it dies. Okay, so we were able to do that. We made Venus hotter than the sun for a second, and now it looks completely different. Alright, I said I would make this a whole skit for the next video, but it's like 12:06. It's 12:06? It's a little early for that. Well, at least for me anyways. 12:07 to you guys is like 9 a.m. for me. So next video, I might do this. I'm not gonna guarantee that I'm gonna do this, but I might. Turn the sun into a quasi-star and then destroy the solar system and Proxima Centauri system. I think you meant Centauri. Sun quasi-star speedrun. 10, 10, 10, 10. There you go, quasi-star. Oh wait, I need one more 10. 10! And then, I'm assuming you mean use that to destroy that system. You know what? That's how small that is. Will you keep your planets? Nope, it lost its planets. Well, there you go. It's destroyed. Destroy the Earth by hitting it with rocky planets. Easy. These are all bigger than... Alright, it's now 9 Earths. Make the sun 100 times more massive, make it go supernova, and see what survives. Pluto might be the only thing that will survive this. Let's get the big solar system with everything in it. Okay, so pause, explode that, speed up. Oh god, Jupiter is getting fried. Where's Pluto at? Did Pluto die? Well, I'll be damned, Pluto died. Oh, that's funny. If you're right here, you're fine. What do you mean Titan lived that? Titan is now just a 43 kilogram ball. I'm not sure why it survived and nothing else did. Alright. Uranus looks kind of weird. Neptune survived. It's not just a snowball that rotates really fast. Titan lived for, like, no reason. Whoa! What the hell? It's just methane. It's just a little ball of methane. All the space probes are alive, which that doesn't make sense. Alright, make a brown dwarf orbit a red dwarf, orbiting an orange dwarf, etc. Okay, so you just want me to make it like a chain of all the stars. Got it. Okay, we're just gonna speedrun this. White. Yellow, orange, and now red. Now I need to like customly make a brown dwarf because you can't just spawn them in directly in this. 70. Why are you getting roasted? Oh, it's because there's so many stars next to you. This is a brown dwarf that's just getting bombarded. And we'll set this one 40. So this is an unignited brown dwarf. Okay, well that's that. Boom. All right, now explode Stephenson 218. Very big star. I don't know why I said that like that. YouTube, it was a joke. It was a goof. Stephenson 218, it's just as simple as that. Just explode. Boom. And that's all. That was the last one. I'm gonna go and see if there's more by now. The moon never ate queso. He became one with it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Universe Sandbox. Once again, if you have more ideas for stuff to do, tell me them in the comments. This made a pretty good video. Until next time, goodbye.